In the world of high-performance machines, few names command as much respect as Ferrari. Known for their dominance on the track and their precision-crafted road cars, Ferrari has long been a symbol of speed, luxury, and innovation. But today, we step into a new era, an era where Ferrari's racing DNA is infused into something entirely different yet equally breathtaking. This is the 2025 Ferrari SF Motorcycle, a stunning fusion of speed and style, redefining the boundaries of two-wheeled performance. This isn't just another superbike. It's a statement. It's Ferrari's vision of what a high-performance motorcycle should be. Designed for those who crave adrenaline but refuse to compromise on elegance, the SF Motorcycle embodies the very essence of Italian craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Let's talk about the design first. Ferrari has taken inspiration from its most iconic hypercars, blending aerodynamics with artistry. The front end is sharp and aggressive, with sleek LED headlights integrated into the bodywork. The fairings are sculpted not just for aesthetics but for optimal airflow, reducing drag while increasing stability at high speeds. Every element has been meticulously designed to make this bike not just look fast, but feel fast. The side profile reveals the motorcycle's racing-inspired geometry. The exposed carbon fiber frame, the sculpted tail section, and the single-sided swingarm all scream performance. And then there are the wheels, lightweight forged alloys wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires, ensuring maximum grip whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing limits on the track. At the back, the SF Motorcycle maintains Ferrari's signature design language. The aerodynamic tail houses sleek LED taillights, inspired by the brand's hypercars. And let's not forget the exhaust, a high-mounted, titanium-tipped system that not only looks stunning but produces a symphony of power that will send shivers down your spine. But beauty is nothing without performance. Underneath its breathtaking design lies an engine that is nothing short of a masterpiece. Powering the SF Motorcycle is a high-revving V4 engine, derived from Ferrari's racing expertise. Pushing out over 220 horsepower, this machine is built to dominate. The lightweight frame and race-tuned suspension make handling razor-sharp, allowing riders to experience precision control at every twist of the throttle. Acceleration is mind-blowing. The SF Motorcycle can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 3 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest superbikes in the world. But what truly sets it apart is the way it delivers power, smooth, controlled, and exhilarating. With advanced electronic rider aids, including traction control, multiple riding modes, and an intelligent suspension system, Ferrari ensures that every ride is not just thrilling but also confidence-inspiring. The cockpit is a blend of technology and sophistication. A fully digital TFT display provides real-time telemetry, track data, and customizable settings. The handlebars are equipped with premium switchgear, allowing the rider to switch between riding modes effortlessly. Whether you want a smooth touring experience or an all-out track beast, the SF Motorcycle adapts to your riding style. But this bike isn't just about raw power, it's about exclusivity. Ferrari isn't mass-producing the SF Motorcycle. Each unit is handcrafted, with options for bespoke customization, ensuring that every owner gets a machine as unique as their driving passion. From custom paint finishes to race-inspired liveries, Ferrari is offering a level of personalization never before seen in the world of two-wheelers. So, who is this bike for? It's for the purists, the collectors, the thrill-seekers who appreciate speed. Wrapped in luxury. It's for those who understand that Ferrari isn't just a brand, it's an experience. And with the SF Motorcycle, that experience is now available on two wheels. Ferrari has always been about pushing boundaries, and with the SF Motorcycle, they have done it again. This isn't just a superbike. It's a revolution. A masterpiece born from racing heritage, refined for the road, and crafted for those who demand the extraordinary. This has been Car Reviews, bringing you the most exciting machines from around the world. If you love speed, style, and innovation, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.